In today's video, I'll show you how to add more pages to your Godaddy website. Whether you're creating an About Us page, a blog, or simply expanding your content, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to Godaddy. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Godaddy homepage. Click the Sign In button in the top right corner and log into your account. Step 2. Open your website builder. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products section. Here, you'll see a list of all the domains and services you've purchased. Find the website you want to edit and click Edit Website to open the Godaddy website builder. Step 3. Add a new page inside the website builder. Look for the Pages panel or a button labeled Add, usually represented by a plus sign. Click it, then select New Page from the options. You'll be prompted to give your page a name. Use something descriptive like Contact, Blog, or Gallery, depending on the purpose of the page. Step 4. Customize and save. After naming the page, it will be added to your site's navigation automatically. You can now customize the page content using the drag and drop editor. When you're done, make sure to save your changes and preview your site to ensure everything looks right. And that's it. You've successfully added a new page to your Godaddy website. Repeat these steps anytime you want to expand or reorganize your site's content. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on building your website. Thanks for watching.